Super good morning to you. Going to run through a little bit of my morning routine. I'm going to use different products today, but then I might do another video and show you some other different products, because I don't generally just use one product. Today I've got my Clinique here, so we've got the Take the Day Off Cleansing Milk, and then we have the Clinique Clarifying Lotion, which is step 2. I don't know if you can see that. The step 3, dramatically different hydrating jelly. So it's very soft and very smooth, quite nice to apply. So we're going to start off with this Take the Day Off Cleansing Milk. And I've done nothing to my skin this morning, so this is me in all my glory. Good morning to you. This is how I woke up this morning. So I'm just going to shake the bottle a little bit. Apply just a little bit of these, a couple of pumps. Keep away from the eyes, they always say that. So just going to rub it in. It is actually a very good makeup remover, so you can do this process at night, but I use different things. I do get a bit of rosacea, so this is quite nice for my face. Rub it in, keep it away from the eyes. So this is a 6.7 fluid ounce bottle, so you get quite a lot in there. I was just looking at some details on it for you, and it says stubborn makeup is a thing of the past thanks to this cleansing milk from Clinique. It removes even the toughest makeup with ease, including sunscreens. It leaves behind no residue, and skin is left feeling soft, comfortable and cleansed. So you can massage gently over a dry face with fingertips, avoiding the eye area. Rinse or use a tissue. I'm just going to use a wet face washer and just take that off. And it does feel lovely and fresh. Oh, yesterday I had my KKW makeup on. It was quite bright, but I took it all off last night fantastically. So a lot of people don't do these sort of routines. They're very important. I'm going to lead into the toner in a minute, and I didn't realise this until a couple of months ago, until I looked into what a toner actually does. So it's quite important in the process of how you keep your skin clean every day. Okay, so going on to number 2, step number 2 with the Clinique Clarifying Lotion Twice a Day Exfoliator. So I do have quite sensitive skin. So just looking into what it says about this step 2 with the exfoliator, is that it's dermatologist developed formula, helps reveal fresher skin, sweeps away dulling flakes and excess oil so moisturizer can do its job better, helps fine dry lines disappear. So let's have a little look, see, shall we? Now I can't apply too much of this, especially around my nose area for some reason. And I will read in a minute the importance of a natural toner, because it does bring your pH levels back to where they should be. So there's no stinging there normally. So there's all different levels of this that you can buy, and some of them may sting your skin. For me, that's not a good thing, so I've come down a level so that it suits my skin type. So you saw me just wash my face before, but that's what the toner or exfoliator can still get off of your skin. It's quite good. It does take away makeup or dirt and grime that you didn't even know was there. So very important step, and it said you should do it twice a day, so I normally do it of a morning and then once again at night, obviously once I've taken my makeup off. Look at that, that's quite still a fair bit of product still on there, considering we've already cleansed the skin. supposedly. So there you go. And now we'll go on to step number 3, which is the moisturizer. The Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. Instead of calling it a moisturizer, it's a jelly. It says Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly is a 24-hour hydrator with clean shield technology, locks in the good, like moisture, and filters out the bad. So it sounds very, very, very good. So we're going to apply this, and I will come back to you shortly. Just 2 or 3 pumps on there, and then it's very silky smooth. It's very, very hydrating. You can feel it. And I usually do this and then let it settle in before I apply any makeup to the face. I do have a Mary Kay consultant coming around today to do a free facial, so I'm not really going to put any makeup on today. I'm going to go free, makeup free. And there you go. So that's settled on the face quite nice, and let that dry out itself. Feels lovely. There's no real smell to it, so there's no perfume or anything inside. So there you go. So that's the 3 Cliniques for the day already done. So just a little info for you on a toner. So it said, what does a toner actually do? The optimal pH level for skin hovers around 5.5. If the pH is too far off balance, this can create an environment where it's easier for harmful bacteria to thrive. So it's not good for your skin at any time. A toner helps to recalibrate this pH so that the skin is calmed and balanced after cleansing. So it's a really, really good idea to tone. And you know what? For years and years and years, I didn't do it. I'm surprised that my skin is not in too bad a shape, considering that I never did that sort of thing. So yeah, just a little bit of info there. Hope that was helpful. I might pop back in this afternoon after my Mary Kay and just see what she does for me. Otherwise, take care of you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you again soon. So I'm just waiting for the lady from Mary Kay to get here, so I'm a little bit excited. Oh yeah. Okay, so I had Wendy from Mary Kay, the consultant, come out, and this is the look that we ended up with today. I actually put all the makeup on, she supplied it. Their skincare was amazing, it was really, really nice. I went for the glowy dewy look, and this is how it ended up. So anyway, it was good fun, relaxing this afternoon, so yeah. I'll catch you all again soon.